Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am taking a look at actually two products that go together. One is the Tweezerman Slant Tweezer in leopard print. In my opinion, there are no other tweezers on this earth that you should be using than just Tweezerman. They are the best, especially for plucking stray hairs, especially eyebrow plucking. Tweezerman, they're made of stainless steel. They have hand filed tips and they're guaranteed to tweeze. They come in fashion stylish designs, which I bought myself a pair of the leopard ones so I wouldn't lose it, but I end up losing my tweezers all the time. I think my other tweezers are bright colors as well. They're red and pink and green, and I still can't find those. But I have found my leopard Tweezerman and would like to share it all with you. It's a really great product. Like I said, it's stainless steel, hand filed tips. It also has free lifetime sharpening. So you just have to pay a small processing fee and ship it off to the Tweezerman company in the mail, and they will sharpen your tweezers for free. And this is for life, so I don't know if that's for life or just the life of the company, but I'm gonna guess it's gonna be the life of the company. But Tweezerman has been around for a long time, and it's a really reputable company, and it makes, honestly, there's no drugstore cheap tweezer that will work as well as this. And I will admit, I do get the occasional chin hair, which is really terrifying, but there's only so much you can do about that. They're good for if you've ingrown hairs. This one particularly is the slanted tip as opposed to the blunt tip. The slanted tip gives you a slight edge, actually it does give you a slight edge, over a flat tweezer because it's easier to get whatever sort of thing, say you get a little splinter in your hand, it's easier to get it out with a slanted head tweezer. Yeah, it's a great product. And then also, if you want to sharpen your tweezers at home, there's this awesome little product by the BrowGal by Tanya Crooks, and it comes with 12 sharpeners. And let me show you what it looks like. It looks like a matchbook. It comes with 12 sharpeners, and each one of these, basically it says remove file from packet, place between the tweezers starting at the top of the file. In a downward stroke, use light pressure, gently slide the tweezer down, repeat the step 2 times to finish. Remove file and hold tweezers together, and using 1 downward stroke, move the file along the slanted tip. So you don't want to over sharpen your tweezers by using too many strokes, because this can result in a permanent damage to the tip. Now please enjoy flawless tweezing. Like I said, what I use my tweezers mainly for are my eyebrows. Like I said, the Tweezerman eyebrows, these are a good alternative to having to ship the actual product in to get it sharpened, even though it comes back like razor sharp. And that's why you have the advantage with the slanted tip over the blunt tip, is that it's sharper and it's going to be able to dig in there and get whatever you need to get out, whether it's an ingrown hair, a little occasional chin hair, mostly eyebrows, a splinter, anything that you would use the tweezers for. Also for applying fake eyelashes, that's another thing, and I've found that the Tweezerman are far superior to any other tweezer on this earth. Just been using them for about 20 years and I cannot give them more high praise. And these little sharpeners are a great little addition. The BrowGal is based out of LA. I don't know where Tweezerman is based out of. I should know that because I have shipped my tweezers to them before. But all you have to do is go to their website. How they say to use the tweezers is to tweeze in the direction of the hair growth, tweeze after a shower or hot towel to open pores. Use the slant side for general tweezing. Flip the tweezer to the high side of the slant edge for precision work. When finished, you want to clean it off with either cold water, or when you're finished with your skin, you want to use cold water or an astringent to close the pores, and you want to wait 5 minutes to apply your makeup. So once again, the BrowGal by Tanya Crooks 12 sharpeners and the Tweezerman tweezers in the fun leopard print. Don't take my word for it, try it yourself, and thanks so much for watching.